All right, we're starting a midweek video out Sunday morning. We're getting this cleaned out. Presentation is everything. Okay, just because it's under construction doesn't mean you just leave all the trash inside of a vehicle. You know, you can still brush it out as best you can. And then we put a moving blanket over the hole that's in the back seat because it's also blue and it kind of matches what's going on here. But we will end up wiping this down before we get to the show. I need to probably go ahead and pull that speaker out right there, baby. That's in the dash. We'll get that out of there. Put that in the shop. And then, yeah. I don't even know where the other headlight is, now that I think about it. But we got all the stuff that was in here, all the tools and all the other crap. We're getting all that stuff moved out of here. There's the wiring harness for the gas tank. I need to get that married up with the other ones that are there. And then our daughter ended up with strep throat, so my wife couldn't go to work today. So our daughter's inside relaxing, and we are out here trying to get a little bit of mini truck stuff done while I'm still home, because I got to leave out here in just about an hour or so. Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. All right, we're removing the tint off the back glass because it's got a lot of shadowing in it. But we just want to let you guys know, of course, a lot of you know alcohol will get the rest of the sticky off real easy. Go ahead, baby. I mean, it literally just wipes off. You just give it a little bit of elbow grease. But we wanted to get a little bit of footage in here so you guys can see us removing it, or see my wife removing it. Because she fits in the back better than I do. I'm sitting in the front seat reaching back. I did my side. She's doing her side now. Yeah. And then we'll just soak a clean towel again and give it one more fresh wipe down. And that way we can have the tint off the back glass. Side glass is okay for now. We'll probably end up removing it as well. But that back glass just kind of looked funky. So, yeah, we're going to get the rest of this cleaned up real quick.
Down again, right?
Yeah, we'll definitely wipe it down again once they get done. Well, there's the back glass. Looking good. We've got that in the back. We went ahead and wiped down the seats and wiped down the dash a little bit now. We'll end up covering more of it later at the show. We just wanted to get that knocked out a little bit, get all that done. If anybody's got some tips on how to get paint off of weather moldings without drying it out too bad. I mean, my idea was paint thinner and then go back over and treat it with like Armor All or something just to re-soften it up. But yeah, none of this was removed when it got painted. So I'm wanting to try to clean all that up. So any tips and ideas, please let me know. Other than that, we've got that pretty much done. But that's all the tint.
No more tint.
Yeah. And you can still see the freaks of nature. You can see through the back now. So we've got that done. I think I'm going to try to zip tie some of this up right now before I leave, because it's pretty much time for me to leave. She thinks she feels better because we gave her meds, so she really wants to play and go moving around, but we're like, nope, you just got to sit here with us. So I got the lines and everything zip tied up. This is the harness for the fuel pump, so that'll get wired in later. And then I hung these over right there because those fuel lines need to stay off the ground so they don't get wet. But we're going to have to route those up into the bed again. And then the rest of the wiring for the tail lights, I've got that all zip tied up, so it's not hanging for now. We'll be able to get it moved around. We won't have tail lights or anything like that. We just need it up and out of the way. But there's that. So I gotta get out of here and go to work. What are you laughing about?
Stop the camera to sneeze.
Yes, I stopped the camera to sneeze. It snuck up on me. They're calling me out. So, all right. Next place. Check this out. Got all my stuff right here. In case you guys forgot what I drive. That's my Peterbilt. I'm at the yard right now. There's my Silverado. I had a pretty good week. I watched a really bad accident today. It's Wednesday. It's what, 7 o'clock, something like that. Dang. You ever have this? Look, bird shit right on my handle. What the hell? Yeah, it was a pretty bad wreck. And stuff like that really makes you start thinking how important your life is and how important your family is. After I saw that, of course, I called the office immediately to let them know what I had saw and what happened, and I wasn't involved, and I didn't have anything to do with it. But, I mean, it shook me up pretty bad. After that, I called my wife. Told her what was going on. Like I said, I was pretty freaked out about it. It was pretty bad. I get to go home tonight. I don't have to leave till tomorrow afternoon. So what's that mean? I'm going home. And I'm going to work on the Ranger tomorrow. Yeah. Get my truck started. Okay. I'm going to turn that down. So, let me go ahead and turn this on before it freaks out on me. I'm also waiting on April to get back. She's out there somewhere. There she is. Way over there. Come on, April. Come on. Ah, look at that. She's about to crap. Yep, that's what she's doing. She's pinching one. So anyway, how's that for a midweek video? Got some stuff done. Tomorrow, I'm going to start the weekend video on all the stuff that I'm going to do tomorrow on it. Try to get as much done as I can to make this weekend even that much better, because we also have to get everything packed. I'm going to get the trailer on, I should be back home Friday night or Friday, depending on how quickly I can get over there and done. And I'm going to pick up the trailer from here at the yard, take it home. April, come on, go ahead and get in there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. There. Let me go ahead and get in here. So I can set this up on the dash. I don't have to hold it anymore. Alright, so we're going to get that as much done as we can. And get everything packed up. Sorry, I got to do this in order to be able to drive. It kind of makes it hard. Sometimes I hate these things. It's not doing what I want it to do. There we go. Back into a circle. Trying to protect my dash. It's all about that resale value when you want to trade. All right. Get everything loaded onto the trailer. I'd like to be able to strap everything down, trying to figure out exactly where we're going to be putting the golf cart. That's all that's going to be happening this weekend. Treat. Oh, watch, you're just going to keep staring at me. Here. Have you a treat. So that's what's on the agenda. Our daughter stepped on a nail yesterday. Her foot hurts today. Of course. Of course it hurts today. And we were thinking about taking her to the doctor's, but we looked at it. A friend of ours that's also in the medical field, they looked at it. I think it's going to be fine. So that's what we're going to stick with. It's fine. I'm going to go down to the station and get me some gas. So, yeah, see how much more we can get done tomorrow. That'll be on this weekend's video, like I said. And I will see you guys then. Stay tuned. There's plenty coming up. This weekend's going to be a bunch of stuff going on. And then midweek video should be everything all packed up. We'll find out. Stick around. Subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and look both ways before I hit somebody. And we will talk to you guys on the next video.